Good evening, dear students. Today we will do work 16 made by Directorate of Education, GNCT of Delhi for date 25/11/2020. Subject Science, class 7th English medium. Name of student right here, name of class teacher here. Today's topic is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acids react with base. When acid react with base, it's form salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Some heat is always evolved or are produced in a neutralization reaction. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन में कुछ हीट भी साथ के साथ प्रोड्यूस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when sodium hydroxide when sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric acid is a acid. When sodium hydroxide is react with hydrochloric acid, it produces salt, that is sodium chloride and water. Okay, dear students, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Note, the salt produced may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Now take an activity. We do an activity. Take 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid solution is colorless. Point to be noted, dear students. Add 2 or 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to the acid in test tube. Shake the test tube gently. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless. There is no change in color of phenolphthalein indicator on adding it to hydrochloric acid solution. Means that, dear students, आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लेना है और उसमें क्या करना है, 2 और 3 ड्रॉप्स फिनोफ्थलीन इंडिकेटर डालोगे तो उसमें, और उसको फिर शेक करोगे तो उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. ओके, नाउ इन another way, in another test tube, you will take sodium hydroxide solution in a dropper and add sodium hydroxide solution to hydrochloric acid in test tube dropwise. Continue to add sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop. Still a light pink color just appear in the solution in the test tube. Then stop adding more of sodium hydroxide solution. At this stage, the all hydrochloric acid taken in the test tube has been completely neutralized by sodium hydroxide base. Thus, a neutralization reaction has taken place in the test tube. It is evident that when the solution is basic, point to be noted here that when solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On other hand, when solution is acidic, it remains colorless. मतलब ये है प्यारे बच्चों कि बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में फिनोफ्थलीन का कलर क्या हो जाएगा, पिंक हो जाएगा, और एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, कलरलेस रहेगा. नाउ if we touch the test tube immediately after neutralization reaction is over, we will find the test to be somewhat hot. This is because some heat is evolved during the neutralization reaction. This heat raises the temperature of reaction mixture and make the test tube feel hot. Now, the first question is, what name is given to the reaction in which acid react with a base to form salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. You have already studied in this worksheet. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. The answer of first question is neutralization reaction. Now, second question. In second question, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralizes each other and form salt and water. You should tell the statement is true or false. The statement is true. The statement is true. Here you've seen that when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, it produces salt and water. Now, third question. Salt produced during neutralization reaction may be dash dash and dash. The answer of this question is maybe. In the first fill in the blanks, you should write acid. In the second, basic. In the third, neutral. The answer of third question is this. तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे तो एसिडिक आएगा, ए फॉर एसिडिक, दूसरे में बेस, बी फॉर बेस, और थर्ड इसमें थर्ड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में एन फॉर न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. Now fourth and last question. Explain why if we touch the test tube immediately after carrying out the neutralization reaction of an acid, a base in it, it is found to be somewhat hot. The answer of this question is here. If we touch the test tube immediately after the neutralization reaction is over, we will find the test tube to be somewhat hot. This is because some heat is evolved during the neutralization reaction. यानी न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन के दौरान कुछ हीट रिलीज होती है, एंड दिस हीट रेजेज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ रिएक्शन मिक्सचर एंड मेक द टेस्ट ट्यूब फील हॉट. लास्ट पॉइंट, COVID appropriate behavior message. To stay safe in the fight against COVID-19, wear a mask. The students in this way, worksheet 16 for class 7th, subject science, English medium has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.